I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my cleaning channel, Cleaning with Carrie. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some regular cleaning motivation and also some decluttering. I finally went through my master bathroom and also went through my clothes again. I still have a long way to go, but this is a good start. So I hope today's video brings you lots of motivation. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so after unloading the dishwasher, I'm going to go ahead and quickly load it back up and get this started for the day. And then once I'm done loading this, I just move straight into my bedroom, into the master bathroom, where I'm going to declutter and organize underneath the bathroom vanity. It is just insane how much stuff people can accumulate, myself included. It's mind-blowing. Definitely eye-opening. So stay tuned to see me declutter that bathroom. Okay, so this is messed up. Where do I begin? Because it's overflowing. Oh man. So the way that I'm gonna do this, hold on, let me get over here. So as you can see, it's slap full. I'm gonna use this as my must-have basket. So everything that I use daily is gonna go in here, and then everything else I'm just gonna try to declutter as best as I can, because obviously this is way too much stuff. And it's so crazy how fast things accumulate. So let's get started.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather.
Okay, so while I was going through underneath my bathroom sink, it made me realize how many products that we have that we might not even use on a regular basis, but we do use, like, it's just pretty crazy how there's so many things on the market, like hairsprays, dry shampoos, and all the things that we need at some point. Maybe we don't use them every day, but they just take up so much space. It's just definitely crazy to see, but I also went through a phase where I was trying out new skincare products. So I was trying to come up with a good skincare routine. I am, approaching 30. Skincare is really important in your late 20s, early 30s, in my opinion. And I was trying to come up with a good skincare routine. So I ended up with a lot of skincare products, but they didn't work for my skin. I used them for about 2 weeks, started noticing adverse reactions like breakouts, blackheads, things like that. So any of those things, if that happened, I went ahead and decluttered them. But instead of throwing them away, I am going to give my family a chance to go through it, see if there's anything that they might feel comfortable using. It's breaking us apart. Okay, so here's where I'm at so far. I have like all of my hair supplies, lotions, everything in this basket. My husband's colognes right here because he uses those every day. Pads, tampons, nail polish stuff here. All my hair tools go on this one. This is where I keep my toothbrush and toothpaste. All my makeup is here in this bin. Extra hair dye back there, which I haven't dyed my hair in so long, and honestly, I'm thinking about just getting rid of all that stuff because I'm probably not going to use it. I've been just trying to let like my natural hair grow out and stuff, so we'll see. I'm just going to hold on to it for just now, and I'll make that decision later. But this is what we're looking at, or this is how it's looking now. Up here, I have stuff that I'm going to put in the medicine cabinet instead of keeping down here. I don't use this stuff often. We don't have a bathtub in our house, but I do have a blow-up tub that I bought from Amazon. And so like when we're sick or if we really need to take a bath, I will blow that up, and I like to use these. So I have that, some like sunscreen, aloe, and then all these hair ties right here I want to put into like a little Ziploc bag, and then I'll just put them down there. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to wipe everything down. I'm not deep cleaning yet. I think I shared this with you guys in a video before, but I'm just decluttering right now, and then I'll go through the whole house and do like a deep clean whenever everything is kind of organized better. Okay, so the bathroom is almost done. I just gotta take out the garbage, and then I have all of our stuff as organized as it's possibly gonna get. I wanna get another one of these, like tier trays. I got this one on Amazon, and it's been wonderful. I think that would help. It would give me some more height, make sure I can utilize all the space here. That would be really nice to have another one over there. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and order one. I think it's like $20 for that. But like I said, I've had it for over a year, and it's held up wonderful. And I have mine slapped full of like hair tools and stuff down here. So, I mean, it holds quite a bit. But anyway, that's all done, as good as it's going to get. I got to sweep, mop, and that's pretty much it for this bathroom. I'm actually going to be doing a makeover in here soon. So y'all stay tuned for that over on my main channel. I'll have my main channel linked below, so you can go subscribe there too. Okay, and then the last few times I've decluttered, I have been asked to show everything that I got rid of. So here is a bag full of just random things: moisturizers, hairsprays, powders, things that I don't use. I need to clean this. I just threw it in there, but yeah, lotions, all kinds of stuff. This is all garbage. So empty soap bottles, empty lotion bottles, packaging, you know, just normal garbage. So that's all the trash. This is all the stuff I'm going to let my family go through, see if there's anything they want to grab, lotions-wise, mouthwash, or anything like that. And then over here is the stuff that's going to go in the medicine cabinet instead. So I'm going to take that. I got to put this into a Ziploc bag and throw that in the bathroom. But yeah, other than that, it's all done. Okay, moving on to our dresser. As you can see, my dresser is busting out of the seams. So I'm about to go through all this stuff. Hopefully declutter quite a bit. Just reorganize, refold everything, because it's just not done properly. Plus, my husband helped me put the clothes away the other day. And then he piled them all up here, which they've kind of gotten unfolded again. So I'm just going to fix those up. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so while I go through my clothes in my dresser, I wanted to share with you the thought process of going through this stuff. So I fluctuate weight pretty quickly. One week I will be a size 7, the next week I will be a 9-10. It truly just depends on the foods I'm eating, how stressed I am, if I'm exercising or not. So many factors play into that. But with that being said, while I was going through these, I was only getting rid of things that I didn't find flattering on my body. Everything else, even if it was a size too small at the moment, I did save. Like I said, I do fluctuate pretty quickly, and clothes are expensive. And if I had to go out and buy clothes every single time that I felt like my jeans wouldn't button, I would be broke. I would literally be broke. I have clothes in my closet that are size medium, then I have size large as well. And that is just, I feel like it's very common for women to have multiple sizes. And I mentioned this a few videos ago, like in a declutter with me, and so many of you agreed. So if you're in the same boat, don't feel bad for holding on to them clothes. Sometimes they fit, sometimes they don't. Also, I will add that I went to my grandma's like about a month or two ago, and they were prepping for their yard sale. And for their yard sale, I had actually given them some clothes to go through in case they wanted to, get anything. And whatever they didn't want, they were going to put into the yard sale. Well, I happened to go back through the clothes that I decluttered a few months ago, and guess what? Those denim shorts fit me. So I ended up bringing some of them home again. I know, it's a problem. Okay, so I recently bought this little drawer organizer set from Walmart. They're fairly inexpensive. I'll link it below. It's a 6-piece set, so here's all of the pieces. It has like these little tabs, which I thought this was pretty interesting. When I first opened it, I was like, how in the world is this gonna... It was like this. And then when you open it, this piece folds down, and it's actually attached, so you don't have to worry about it falling out, which is pretty neat. So anyway, got those. I don't know how well they're going to hold up over time, we'll see. But I have a drawer that's busting out at the seams. I'm not going to show you guys this just because these are like my intimate items. Same thing for in all these drawers are the same way. So I'm just going to like reorganize it. I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is what I'm going to be using. So if I can get everything kind of like hidden where it's not like visible, you know what I'm saying? I don't mind showing you like an overview, but actually going through the items I'm going to do off camera. I just wanted to share that with you. Also, I got all the drawers empty except for like a few things in here that I know for sure that I wear. This one's completely empty, or almost completely empty. And then I have a few white jeans down there. But down here I have all of my denim shorts piled up that I need to fold nicely. This is a pile of donations. This is all keep stuff, and this is donations. This right here, this stack, I know I'm unorganized, but this stack right here is donations as well. Shorts that just don't fit me the way that I want them to. So I'm getting rid of those. I have to fold all this stuff here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I have no rhythm, but who cares? Have a good time, dance, be silly. You only live once, so enjoy it while you can. But I am now going through my closet, just pulling out all the empty hangers and anything that I want to declutter or that maybe needs to be in a different spot than where it's at. So that's kind of what I'm working on here.
sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You dug in deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again.
Let it go.
Maybe some EAM?
Let it go.
Any of that?
You're not much of a protector. I just got attacked by the box. You didn't do nothing. You didn't do anything. Okay, so while I was singing Let It Go, it reminded me, so like every time I declutter, I think of that song. Just let it go, get it all out. But anyway, my daughter the other night was singing us karaoke, and that's the song she was singing. And my husband kept chiming in, being funny, like hitting all the high notes and stuff. But it made me think about it, and I don't think I've ever shared this on my cleaning channel before. I think I shared a long time ago on my main channel, but my husband actually can sing very well. And I've tried catching him a few times, but I feel like some people just have amazing talents that they just don't realize that they have. And what's really weird is that my husband, it's not weird, it's pretty cool. He can change his voice to match different artists. Like, so a country artist that he can sing really well is John Party, which I feel like it's really hard to mimic his voice, but I swear to you, when he's like singing along, he sounds just like him. That song, Night Shift, is one of my favorite songs. He sings it so well. Morgan Wallen, I swear he can sound like Morgan Wallen when he tries. It's just pretty cool. And he'll sing in like the shower and stuff and when we're driving in the truck, but I just thought I would share. Just fun little fact. But here I'm just finishing up vacuuming my bedroom, and after that I'm just going to share with you a quick overview of all the stuff that I decluttered. I had a lot of trash, a lot of boxes and stuff, things that I found that was garbage, so you'll notice there's a pretty large stack of trash, but then I got rid of some clothes, some shoes, and some other just like random small things. But here's what all that stuff looks like piled up together. And I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you. And yeah, I will see all of you in my next one. Bye, y'all.